Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change or customize the tiles menu on this watch. First, let's open the tiles menu on our watch. To do it, we need to press the middle button to wake up the screen on our watch. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the watch face, basically home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the tiles menu. And here we have different tiles. We have the wash hands, activity, weather, Google Fit, blood oxygen, sleep, and calendar, I believe. And we can customize this menu a little. To do it, press and hold one of the tiles to open the editing mode. And here we can do a couple of things. We can add the tile. To add it, scroll all the way to the right, tap on add tile, find the tile you want to add and tap on it to add it. To remove the tile, because we can also remove the tiles, find the tile you want to remove and then swipe up on it. And another thing we can do basically is to change the order. So let's say I want the timer to be at the first place. To do it, select the tile you want to move and then tap on the arrow to move it. And you can move it left or right. And once you're done, you can wait a couple seconds for it to close, or you can press the middle button. And once you open the tile menu again, you'll see that the changes applied. And that's how you change or customize the tile menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.